In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in WordPress 2026. Let's get started right from your browser. Head to WordPress.com and open the site you want to manage. If you're signed into multiple sites, make sure the correct site is selected in the dashboard header so you don't invite someone to the wrong place. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and do that first. Once you're on the site's homepage dashboard, focus on the left-hand sidebar. This is your main control panel in WordPress.com, and it's where you'll find everything related to your site's content, settings, and people. Scroll until you see the Users section. Click that to open the People Management area, where you can view everyone who currently has access. From here, choose Add a User. This opens the invitation form. At the top, you'll see a role dropdown. Click it and pick the level of access you want to grant. Roles control what a person can do. As a quick guide, administrators have full control over settings and users. Editors can manage and publish all content. Authors can publish their own posts. Contributors can write but need approval to publish. And subscribers can sign in to interact but can't publish. Choose the minimum role that still lets the person do their job. It's a good security practice to grant only what's necessary. Next, enter the person's email address or their WordPress.com username. Email is usually best because it ensures the invite reaches the right inbox. Take a second to verify spelling. Mistyped emails are the most common cause of missing invitations. You may see an option to mark the person as an external collaborator. Turn this on if they're helping from outside your organization or agency, and you want to clearly label their access accordingly. This doesn't change their permissions by itself, it just helps you track who's internal versus external. If you want to provide context, click Add a Message and type a short note. Let them know why they're being invited, what their role covers, and any next steps or deadlines. Clear instructions here can save a lot of back and forth later. When everything looks good, click Send Invitation. WordPress will email the invite immediately. The user appears as pending until they accept. If they don't see the email, ask them to check spam or promotions and confirm the address you entered. You can always resend or revoke the invite from the user's page if needed. And that's it. You've added a user in WordPress, chosen the right role, and sent a clear, secure invitation.